Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an exciting but also a high-risk investment opportunity, cryptocurrencies. If you're considering investing in this market, you must be aware of the potential risks and take certain precautions to protect your investments. 1. First, it's important to do your own research and understand the technology and the market. Don't invest based on speculation or hype, make informed decisions. 2. Second, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, spreading your investments among different cryptocurrencies can help reduce risk. 3. Third, be aware of scams and fraudulent activities in the market. Do not invest in any cryptocurrency or initial coin offering, ICO, that promises guaranteed returns or unrealistic profits. 4. Fourth, understand the volatility of the market. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate greatly in a short amount of time, so make sure you're prepared for the ups and downs. 5. Fifth, use secure and reputable exchanges and wallets to store your investments. Make sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. 6. Sixth, stay informed about regulatory changes and the latest developments in the market. Governments and regulators are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrencies, and changes in regulations can greatly impact the market. 7. Finally, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment, so make sure you only invest what you're willing to lose. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips will help you make informed decisions when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. Remember, always do your own research and seek professional advice if needed.